channel. My name is Raquel Khalifa. If you're brand new, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and comment and turn notification up. Now if you're my old subscriber, welcome back, guys. I'm so happy today. I don't know why I'm so happy. Like, I don't know, them kind of days you just wake up, you just feel blessed, you just feel like, let me just smile every time, you know, like it's only me, or it happens to you as well. Like, I think it happens to you, or it's just only me. But anyways, today's video, I'm gonna talk about my green hair, where did I get it from, and how it looked like the first time, how I got it. So I did this video, I think it was like 2 weeks ago. And the video that I did, I didn't show you guys how the hair came. I just showed you how you can style the green hair, basically. And I'm gonna link the video on top somewhere or below, so you can find the video, you can watch it. So this is part 2. I'm gonna tell you where's the wig coming from, and I'm gonna show you how the wig came, basically how the wig came. And this is a little clip how the wig came. And I think I literally recorded this video like 2 weeks ago as well, and I didn't edit it, and you know, quite a long story short, this is a video right now. So let me just show you the little clip how the wig came and how I cut the lace and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna be back. So this is how the wig looks like right now. But remember, it's frontless. Why am I saying front? Is a full-less wig. Is a frontless wig. Get together, Raquel. But anyway, so I gotta literally cut right here all the lace out, so I can stick it to my skin, whatever. But you guys, you already know exactly how to cut the wigs. So I don't need to be here. So the wig came from Webster wig. Is how you say it, Webster wig. Now if you order the wig, it comes with this little booklet. So it shows you exactly, little booklet? Is this a little booklet? Actually, no, this is a leaflet. I think it came with a little booklet as well to show you how you can glue your wig as well. So it was like a little booklet, but I don't know where I put it, because bear in mind, guys, I got this wig like a month ago and I'm recording this, so I don't know where's the wig. I don't know what's the wig, I don't know what's the book I put it, but this is a leaflet right here. Obviously it tells you about the wig, it tells you about the wigs, and it has like little pictures right here, the drags. I think this wig's main of the drag people, is not meant as like a normal person, not normal person, I don't know how to say this. Like, I think this kind of wigs is more as a drag person, you know what I'm trying to say, because on most of the pictures right here, they're all drags, like the all drag, they look amazing as well. So this is a little leaflet right here, and this is the website, WIGS. This is the website, and this is how you style it, the tips how you style it and stuff. So you get this, and it came on this bag as well. This kind of bag is like a silky bag, and it came with this in this bag right here. The wig, it was 70 pound if I'm not mistaken, 70 or 75 pound, and there's free postage. I don't know if you live in America or if you live outside in UK how much it will be, but I live in UK, so it was free postage. But yeah, so this is a wig. Let me just go online and I can check how long is the wig, because I think the wig is 30 inches, but I'm not sure. I don't want to say some stuff, so I'm not sure about it, basically. Let me just go on the website. That's the way to do this. Wig is 70 quid, and it took like 4 days, working days, to arrive the place that I am in Leicester. The wig is 39 inches. 39 inches is quite long. It's like literally in my bottom, Now when you wear it, everyone, they'll literally look at you. Them kind of wigs like this, and the wig is quite heavy. When I say it's quite heavy, it's like full of hair. It's not a bad thing, it's really good, but it's full of hair. And then it starts to tangle. It's that kind of hair you literally wear it once. If you have a show, you wear it once, and that's it, you put it in the bin. You don't wear it like every single time. If you wear it every single time, because it's long and there's no real hair, it's not human hair, real hair, it's not human hair, so it tangles quite a lot. Can you see how it started to tangle? Like, if I do this, you can see how tangle it gets literally. And I haven't been wearing this wig for like every day. I wear this wig when I go out or when I want to take pictures for Instagram and whatnot, but I don't wear this wig if like literally chilling for it, or if I do a video, that's when I'll do this. That's when I wear this kind of wig. But I think this kind of wig, some kind of wigs, just wear it for like one day, and after that, that's it. Literally, that's it. You kind of wear it like repeatedly every time, because it's gonna get tangled or not. And it's quite long, it's lovely color, but for 70 quid when it came, I prefer wearing a wig. I don't mind wearing any kind of hair up there, but if I spend 70 quid, believe me, I want like the hair to be like, you know, have standard quality hair. But when it came this is don't get me wrong, it's really a high stand, it's not high standard quality hair, but I don't know how to put this. It's the kind of hair you wear it, like I said, you wear it once and that's it, and then you just put it in the bin. And I loved wearing my wig. I like to change my color, but when I spend 70 quid, I think it's really expensive for me, 70 quid, and then you just wear it once and put it in the bin, because it tangles quite a lot. And I don't think you can shred this kind of hair, because it's quite a lot of hair. It's literally quite a lot of hair. It's really soft. I like the hair, whatnot. It looks amazing. I love the color. That's why I got it. But for me, I think it's a bit expensive when it comes to 70 quid, and there's no human hair at all, and it tangles. Like the first time you're gonna wear it, the second time it tangles, so you have to put it literally in, and you have to be careful with it, and you have to be extra careful, and you have to be take care of it every 24 hours, this hair, because you don't want it to be tangled. So mine is started to be tangled, and I don't wear this wig every day basically. Yeah, let me show you how long is it right now, how the hair long it is. It's so long, like extra long. It's really long hair, but the only problem is it tangles quite a lot, and I have to put foundation. So because the lace, when the lace came, it was literally so light, so I have to put foundation on top of the hair. I have to put the foundation on top of the lace basically, because the hair is like, the lace is quite light for dark skin girls. If you're a dark skin girl like me, this you have to literally put you have to put foundation on top of the lace, then put it in your hair. But yeah, if I recommend anyone to get this kind of hair, I will recommend for you to get this hair, only because I think it's quite expensive for the price, like quite expensive for the hair to just like wear around there and put in the bin. For me, I think it's expensive, but if you want a kind of hair like this, and I think the website is really they got quite lots of followers and whatnot, and they do quite amazing colors, like most of different colors and whatnot. So if you're the kind of person just looking for a wig for one day, I recommend it for you to go for it. Excuse me. I recommend it for you to go for it. But if you're looking for the hair that you want to wear it like sometimes and whatnot, this hair is not worth it. Just go on eBay or go on Amazon and buy it. 30-35 pounds or whatever. And I think Amazon is this kind of hair is the same, literally same thing, but obviously the color is different. So I'm gonna say about the wig, because the wig, the color is amazing. It's full wig, like really full. It's really heavy. It has a lot of hair. It's really long. It's amazing, but it just tangled quite a lot, and I don't think it's worth it for 70 quid. If it was 30 quid, that's understandable. If it was like 40, 45, that at least, if it was that's understandable, but 70 quid, I don't think it's worth it. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I answered all your questions. I can't speak today, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I answered all your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Now if you literally want to get a wig from that website, I'm just gonna tell you girls, like my opinion, I think it's worth of money. 70 quid is worth of money. But if you're looking for a wig for one day and put it in a bin, you can go for it, but I don't think it's worth it. And I'll see you guys next Wednesday. Bye guys.